Hey guys, welcome back to the course. In the last video, we had work on the share image functionality and also we had work on download image functionality. Alright. So in this video, we are going to focus on working on this copy image URL functionality. So when the user click on copy, the URL will get copied. Okay. So there is two ways, people usually do copy in two ways. The first way could be just copy the URL. Another way could be you can copy the base 64, so it will copy the basically a image. So that's totally up to you, but in this video we are focusing on the copy image. But if you wanted to copy the image, in this video we are focusing on copy the image URL. So if you wanted to do the copy of image, so that would be also possible. How it's possible, we'll let you know soon. So all right, so first of all, you can see that we are having this feather icon called copy. So let me start from beginning as well. So let's close all the file, let's collapse all the file, let's go to the app.tsx, and here you can see a home screen. So let's go to the home screen. Inside this home screen we are having a image card components. So let's go to this component image card. After that, I'm going to just remove this console, this is unnecessary. Okay, and now let me collapse this. So you can see that here, scroll down, here you can see that we are having a copy icon. So let's add a onPress event here, onPress handle copy image. Okay, so I'm just copy this function and let's create this function quickly. So here const handle copy image, and we're gonna make a function quickly. Okay, and once the user click on handle copy image, okay, so what is gonna happen, we get the item.url. You can see that there is item, so we're gonna get the image URL. So let me copy this item and let's go to the function. So here we will get the image URL, const image URL is equal to item.image URL. All right, and after that, here you have to write the logic to copy this URL into the clipboard. Okay, to copy the URL in the clipboard, we have to use a package. That package is called React Native Clipboard. So I just hit React Native Clipboard, open this package, this latest one, React Native Clipboard. This you can see that 10 November 2024. This is the older package, so I'm going to open this quickly. After that, you have to copy this command. Okay, once you copy that, let's go back to the code and just install this package. Once you install this package, scroll down, you have to import clipboard from the React Native Clipboard. Okay, so let me import this quickly. Okay, now after importing the clipboard, let me start my server as well, npm start. Okay, and here we can see that we have to use clipboard.setString to copy the string. So just copy this command. Okay, and let's scroll down here, and I scroll down. Here you can see that image URL. So here we're gonna copy this image URL. That's all. Okay, this is how you can copy the image URL. Okay, and this is okay. If you talk about another stuff, like if you wanted to copy the image, so you can also copy the image. How? Let me explain you that as well. Image. Okay, you can see that this is called clipboard.get image, get kind of image. Okay, so you have to pass the base 64 image. So here, here if you're passing a set string as an image URL, so it will take a image URL. So if you wanted to pass a image copy, like if you wanted to add image, how you can do that? So you have to first process the image to copy. So once you process the image to copy, you will get this URL like base 64. Okay, base 64 data, and you can pass that base 64 data like this, and that will also works. Okay, makes sense. So but in this video, this is how we copy the clipboard into the URL. Okay, let our app get installed and we're gonna see that it does really works or not. Okay, and you can have a if you wanted to have a try catch, or if you wanted to show a toast, toast. Okay, let me copy this toast message from here somewhere. Yeah, let me copy this toast Android, and here we can show that toast Android image copied successfully. Toast Android.show image copied successfully. Okay, now let's check it out. I just click on this copy icon. Okay, you can see that image copied successfully, and let's try to paste the image URL here. Okay, let me. Okay, I'm not able. Yeah, I think I would be able to paste. Okay, let me copy again. Okay, and where should I paste here? Okay, let me see here. I can paste. So clipboard, okay, you can see that, turn on clipboard. Yeah, you can see that the image URL is there, and we can paste that image URL. All right, so yeah, let me clear this quickly. All right, so this is how we work on image functionality. So let me explain you quickly once more what we had done. First of all, we go to this touchable opacity. Inside this copy icon, we create one function called handle copy image. Inside this function handle copy image, we get the URL. After that, we are using clipboard dot set string. It will set the string. It will set the string, and after that, we are showing a toast image copied successfully. All right, and this is how. And if you're talking about like copying the whole image instead of copying the image URL, so here you have to pass the base64 URL. All right, which we had already done this for share image functionality. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this video, guys. In the next video, we are going to start working on the server. So in this video, what we had done, copy image URL functionality. Okay, functionality. Okay, and also just letting you know, guys, please visit 0degreecoder.in to learn React Native. Please visit 0degreecoder.in. Would love to see you guys there. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Thanks, bye.